what's the difference without just my own thinking? I bet you wanna know what's that thinking say. The thinking say, get dressed. The city is looking so fine. And I was thinking, it's an idea. Everyone get idea to get dressed to go to the city. What if everyone say they're not going? The city will be all alone without no one else. But everyone take the thinking. Everyone looking like they went to the city. Suddenly you see someone that you like. So I really think that if I go to the city late and the one I like is already taken, what can I do? People get thinking to go to the city different time. Imagine that I have to meet you, but you get a thinking later than me. So I went the wrong time, and when I am home, it's the time you get the thinking to go to the city. Now a lot of ladies see you. Imagine that you get thinking to go to the city just in time like me. And I went there and I saw you. I say hello, you say hello, and now we exchange numbers. And you hang around and your house is gonna be lonely. Or if I come to you, my house is lonely. So sometimes the time you go to the city is totally different than the time I go to the city. Just imagine that you, get the chance to meet me, and before you know it, we decide to move in. And all the thinking that used to come to your house and mine, one house is now empty because we decided to live together. But when we were single, life was good. You do what you want and I do what I want. Now we live together, we argue and we fighting. And I want to go back to my place, but I already give it up. Or you give up your place. So sometimes, that is the reason why you will never be on time. And I go to the city looking around, I don't see anyone who look like the one I really like. There's many good looking guys. Don't get me wrong. There's something about that extra bonus guy. He have the perfect look, the perfect smile, perfect character. And the universe knows those two, if they see each other, we're never gonna brainwash them anymore. It's all about themselves. So sometimes life intentionally send you someone that's looking great. And if you talk to them on the other side of your face, maybe they like this angle. You better watch out with your face. Which angle is here, guy? Sometimes they turn the wrong way, talking to their friends. What if they turn the other way? They're looking good. You're looking tan, you don't see that face. Not perfect, gray eyes. Looking fine. He's not around. You see someone else. They look fine, I know. It's not the same. That bonus guy is just so different, imagine if he is on time. I'm telling too much to the mirror. When I'm sleeping, they're gonna read my mind. But I don't tell everything today. Save the rest for the next time, alright?